What up? You got Mr. Smith, point five of Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and I'm gonna keep this video short and sweet. Did you know that towards the end of the year is a great time to restore your credit? What do I mean? And I'll get right into it. What do I mean? You see, towards the end of the year, people tend to get lax. And this year has been an interesting year. At the time of this recording, it's 2020. It's been an interesting year, which means that you know all of the things that's been going on, still going on. And, it's a lot of things that, I don't even have to say. But knowing that towards the end of the year, some people tend to lean back and they're starting to get ready for the next year. That is no different than different creditors, different credit bureaus, because their mind is on certain areas, which means that if you go through the process of you're wanting to restore your credit, it's a good chance that you can get your credit restored faster because they have their eyes and their focus in other areas. When it comes to restoring your credit, one of the main areas that help you restore your credit is getting control of your payment history. For one, you want to be paying your bills on time. That's a definite. For two, you want to keep your credit utilization down. So if you're planning on spending money on a credit card, try to keep your utilization down to the best of your ability. Under 10% is the recommendation. I understand things happen, but keeping your utilization down is great. But towards the end of the year, as it relates to payment history, outside of you paying bills on time, sometimes there may be things that are on your report that are reflecting as being late accounts, meaning that you've been late on that account 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and it tells you how many times you've been late on that particular account. So with that being said, it's dinging your credit. And if it's a way that you can clean that up and get that off of your credit report, then I highly encourage you to do so because it can help your points go up because it just cleans up your profile. Even though it was something you might have done a year ago, 2 years ago, whether by accident or because you fell on hard times, you want to try to clean those late payments up. And towards the end of the year is a great time to do it. It may also be some collections on your report. If there are some collections on your report, the end of the year is a great time to do it. Why? Because it's a time limit that different creditors have in order to respond to certain accusations, or you trying to basically see or get them to verify if what they have on your report is even accurate. And if they don't verify it in that time frame, usually 30 days upon the receipt of whatever the letter is that you sent, they don't respond in a timely fashion, then they have to make adjustments. They have to remove it. They have to update it to positive if you give them the instructions to do so. So it's power in sending out those letters because during the end of the year, if they are caught not paying attention, that helps you because when that window closes and they haven't responded in a timely fashion, which many times they don't, then your score and your report benefits from it. Whether you want to do it yourself or you want our help, either way, we got you. We got a link below so you can get access to your free credit class so you can take advantage of understanding the game if you want to do it yourself. Or if you want to set up a consultation, that link will be available as well so you can set up a call and get us to go through what's on your report. And if you decide that you want to hire us on the task to help you in that area, then by all means, we don't mind doing so if it's a good fit. If not, no big deal, no pressure. We just want to really just literally empower you to understand that, look, don't take off these last 2 months or this last month. There's actually just a month left in the end in the year. Crazy enough. But don't take off in this last month. And even going into the next year, never take off, but especially during this last part of the year, take advantage. So click the available link below, get access to your free consultation call or your free credit class or both, whichever one you choose to do. And that's all I got for this video. Mr. Smith, signing out. Salute.